The National Weather Service forecast for the beaches of southeast New Jersey. High wind warning in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday for portions of the listening area. Overnight, rain showers and chance of thunderstorms. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Very windy. Near steady temperature in the upper 50s. Southeast winds 20 to 30 miles an hour, becoming south 30 to 40 miles an hour. Gusts up to 65 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Christmas Day, mostly cloudy. Rain showers in the morning, then chance of rain showers in the afternoon. Breezy with highs in the lower 50s. Temperature falling into the upper 30s in the afternoon. South winds 20 to 25 miles an hour, with gusts to around 45 miles an hour in the morning. Between west 15 to 20 miles an hour, with gusts to around 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 80%. Friday night, partly cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the mid-20s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny. Much cooler with highs in the mid-30s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour in the morning, becoming 10 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Saturday night, mostly clear. Near steady temperature in the upper 20s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the evening, becoming 5 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Temperature rising into the lower 40s after midnight. Monday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs around 50. Monday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly clear. Lows in the lower 30s. Tuesday, sunny, cooler with highs in the upper 30s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-20s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Slight chance of snow in the evening. Slight chance of rain. Lows in the mid-30s. Temperature rising to around 40 after midnight. Chance of precipitation 20%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Chance of rain. Not as cool, highs in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 50%.